I've had the iPhone 11 Pro, just the regular size, for just over 24 hours. What do I think of it so far? Let's go. Hey, ZAKpack. Welcome back to ZAKtalks Tech. My name is Zach. Let's talk about the tech together. So like I said, I've had the iPhone 11, just the regular size, for just over 24 hours now. And here are my first impressions. Wow. Okay. Camera is really important for me when it comes to smartphones, whether it's Android or Apple or whatever. I've got to have an awesome camera. And they have delivered. Apple has delivered. Take a look at some of these shots I took. There's also some night shots here, and you can see the quality in there. In fact, I even shot the B-roll shots for my iPhone 11 unboxing with this phone, with a little dolly mechanical thing, and coming out perfect, crisp. Check out this Slofi. What do you guys think of that? Ridiculous, right? There's more coming. There's more coming. You know, I normally go with the bigger phone. I've got the Note 10 Plus right here. I mean, it's huge compared. Look at the size difference, just huge. I normally go with like a bigger phone, but I want to try out something kind of like normal size, and I'm happy with this. I can type away on it. I haven't had any issues like that. Like I said, the camera's been killer. It's been snappy. It's been fast. The wireless charging has been great. So after 24 hours, 2 thumbs up for me so far. Now, you guys know that I'm mostly an Android person. I'm fully ingrained into that Android ecosystem, mostly Samsung, Google services, and things like that. So going to this, it has a separate number, its own dedicated number, everything. It should be very interesting. I've got an iPad Pro, I've got a MacBook Pro. So it should be interesting to kind of see how all that works together. I had a lot of success, a lot of good things to say about the 10R from last year. So obviously this is, a leap up. You got the extra camera on there, the telephoto. The selfie cam and everything is just amazing. So yeah, I'm looking forward to taking this out and doing a whole lot more testing. I'm going to be doing some versus videos against Samsung, against the 10R, against the 11 this year. Any other devices I can get my hands on to really kind of show you guys a lot of comparisons and things like that. So hopefully you guys will come along with me for that ride. So let me know down in the comments section, did you pick up an iPhone 11 Pro or Pro Max? Maybe you went for just the regular 11. Maybe you're not upgrading this year. Let me know why you're not upgrading. If this video helped you guys out at all, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well. Leave me a hashtag ZAKpack down in the comment section. You're part of my ZAKpack, and I'm glad you're here. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Cheers.